welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that leftover buffalo chicken dip, that's vegan, not real chicken beach. We're gonna take that and we're going to use it for a vegan buffalo chicken popper. Oh, what? Are you ready for this, girl? I don't think you're ready for this. I want to give a super huge shout out to Mary for donating to my channel. It means so much. It made these past two recipes possible. So if you guys want to help support this channel and you gain value from my recipes, please go to my PayPal and donate to Midnight Munchies and more at yahoo.com. So let's jump into it. As you can see, our buffalo chicken dip is much of a thicker consistency than when it's warm because it's been chilled in the refrigerator overnight. This is our leftovers. Actually purposefully leftovers because, I mean, you could just heat this shit up and eat it as is and it's delicious. But then I bought a bag of sweet peppers. So you can do these one of two ways. But what I like to do with the big ones is cut them in half. And then I just scoop my little stuff right on in there, my buffalo chicken girl. And while I'm scooping, you know you can hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Because you guys, here's the trick. If you don't hit the bell notification, you won't get notified when I put out a video. So now you can take these little wiener guys. Like, these are so small. Like, why are you so much smaller than the other one? And just cut the top off and then kind of moosh that right on in there. Got a little piece of chicken, vegan chicken in there. Get that on there. Put some more on top. Oh my God. Okay. Then we're just going to do that for all of these. And then we're going to cover them up and we're going to pop them in the freezer until they're super frozen. While our buffalo poppers are finishing up the freezing process, I have half a cup of flour in one bowl, half a cup of flour in another bowl, and then I've got just like a bowl full of panko. Like, I don't know, just use as much as you think you need. But I'm going to come in here with my salt and pepper and put it in my flour and mix it all up because you got to have it seasoned or else it bland AF, even though you got all those flavors from the buffalo dip, which is why we're only doing the salt and pepper. And then we're just going to mix these up. And just like with our Bang Bang or buffalo cauliflower, we're going to come in here with equal parts of non-dairy milk for one of the bowls. Pour that in there and go ahead and mix this up until it's a nice batter consistency. So we have our frozen poppers. So the first thing we're going to do, which keep in mind, just like I do with like corn dogs and stuff like that when we're judging something, is I have one dry hand, one wet hand. That is important so you don't make a huge ass mess. So we're going to put it in the flour first because that's going to help our batter little mixture stick to it. So again, I switched over to my wet hand. Get that all nice and coated in there. Oh my God, girl. Oh yeah. And then shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Pop it in the panko. Use your dry hand to cover it all up. Get it all coated. Oh my God. And then we just go and keep on rocking and rolling for all our little poppers. We've got about 1.5 inches of vegetable oil preheated on the stove, about medium-high heat. We're going to take our poppers and just pop them right on in there. We're going to pop our poppers and fry them until they're nice and golden brown, girl. You guys, oh my God, look at all these fried delicious. Okay, so I bit into one just to show you. Watch this right now, girl. Oh, that buffalo chicken ooze. Okay, I'm just gonna fucking shove it in my mouth. Girl. Okay. Oh my God. It's literally giving me life right now. Like, I want to make the buffalo chicken dip just so I can make those. You can certainly use jalapeños. I didn't just use the sweet peppers to kind of balance and complement the heat of that buffalo chicken. The buffalo sauce, you know, so we do jalapeños, it'll be super hot. I'm not into super hot. If you like that, you can do that. Remember, full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, because I have another delicious appetizer recipe coming your way. Because, like, oh, I just can't stop with the appetizers. It's my favorite, like, tapas.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.